everyone, my name is Mireya. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I did these French braids. I think they're called French braids inverted hair. I'm not quite sure. You'll probably understand what I'm talking about when you start watching the tutorial. You're going to be bringing the hair inwards instead of leaving it outwards. Hello guys. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is just add a little bit of water spray, but I want to brush my hair. Make sure that you don't have any knots. You don't want any tangles because that's going to make it it's going to interfere with your braids that we're going to be doing. Like they're not going to come out as nice, or even when you're pulling the strands to make the braids, like it's happened to me where I have a couple of tangles. It's a mess. It's a total mess. It'll like undo the braid that you're doing. Like it won't come out as well. So anyways, I'm going to be brushing my hair, getting rid of the knots. Then I'm going to be parting my hair in half. Don't worry if it's not an exact half. You can always look in the mirror. You can have a mirror in the front and then get like a small mirror to look at the back side. Or you can ask someone at home if you made your part well. I'm going to be putting a clip on one side of the hair just because I have to. I've done these braids before and I don't part my hair, or I don't put a clip on it, and I'm grabbing hair from the other side. Like no, that's not something that you're supposed to do. I'm going to be putting some gel. I like to use gel on because I have a lot of baby hairs. I'm also going to be using some water spray just because my hair's too dry and I feel like it needs to have a little bit of moist in it. Like it needs to be wet a little bit in order for me to do these braids. Also, I'm going to be using a little bit of hairspray, but I'll be doing that more later on. So to get started, you're going to grab some hair, just like a small triangle at the beginning of the part of your hair. You're going to divide it into 3 sections. Then you're always going to be grabbing hair from the outer edges, bringing it inside towards the middle. So if you grab hair from the left, you're going to bring it under and to the center, and then you're gonna grab hair from the right, bring it under all the hair and towards the center as well. So it's like a regular braid, but we're gonna be grabbing just a little bit of hair and then bring it under and inwards. So these braids are inward French braids. I like these better than the regular French braids just because I think that they look nicer. They stand out a lot more. The other name for these braids is boxer braids. So yeah, they look pretty good. I like them also like to work out because your hair's not in the way. I like them to go out. They're pretty nice braids, and towards the end you'll also see that I'm going to be sharing the video of when I take out these braids, of how the curls come out. They look so cute. If you don't want to damage your hair, you can always curl your hair this way with heatless curls, just by doing some braids. They don't have to be perfect. You can be around the house for maybe 2 or 3 hours and then just undo the braids, and then you're going to have some pretty heatless curls. So moving on with the braid, I'm also going to be putting some hairspray on. Once I have the braid in the place where I want it to go, that's when I would put some hairspray on. Not too much. I don't want them too hardened because I'm also going to be taking them out at the end of the day, just so I can share with you how the curls come out. So the braids, I'm going to bring them down all the way to the bottom. Years ago, I saw this magazine picture where this girl had French braids and she had really long hair, and I really liked the way that they came out. So once my hair got to a length where I liked it, I decided to film this video for you guys so you guys could see how the French braids look on long hair. Also, once I get to the bottom, I'm going to be adding some, what are these called? I don't know what they're called, but they're like for jewelry, like to make bracelets. Now, I didn't put a hairband. I put a little bit of aluminum foil because this was the only thing that was holding on to the little gems, the little circles. I really don't know what they're called. Beads. Yes, I think they're called beads. So that's the only thing, the aluminum foil that was holding on to the beads. And I wish I would have put at least 5 beads on each side, but I was in a hurry because we were going to go out that day, which this video was filmed 3 years ago. I'm trying to share more of the videos that I have on my terabyte, videos that I never shared with you guys. Just some videos are because I never had time to edit, others because I didn't feel like my videos were that good enough. So here, this is one of them, one of the videos that I'm going to be sharing with you, as well as other videos that I have stored. So these are the beads. I'm just putting 2 on each side. As I said, I would have liked to put more beads because I have them, but I don't know what happened. I was just in a hurry. But like I said, the aluminum foil was the only thing that was and wasn't bringing them down. I don't know what other people use to keep these beads in your hair. I mean, that's what I used, and it really did help. As you can see, the beads were not coming off. So I'm gonna work on the other side of my hair. I hope this video really is helpful. I hope that you give it a try. Don't worry, these braids, just practice, and I'm pretty sure that you'll get it eventually. Just keep practicing. They look really cute, and everywhere you go you're gonna be getting some comments because these braids are not that easy to do. And even when I see someone with these French braids, I'm like, oh, they're so pretty, she looks pretty. Well, yeah, keep on watching this video and then stay towards the end so you can see the result of these boxer braids heatless curls. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That way I can share more hairstyle videos with you. Take care, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.